Perhaps two reasons. I think the first reason is that over the last 150 years, we have had really no significant change in the industry. We've had countless reports, countless strategies, countless codes, countless charters, and yet we've had no change whatsoever. Well, long-lasting change, let me put it that way. We still have an industry that's dominated by one model, the outsourcing model, lowest price. That is still very much the case. So that was the first reason. The second reason is that when you look around at other sectors, energy, for example, telecoms, they all have their regulatory bodies. And those regulatory bodies are aimed at improving standards, ensuring best practice and so on. So that's the second reason. Well, it would be something like an office for construction. Again, similar to those other sectors I mentioned. And it'd have to be a statutory body. That's really, really important, otherwise it's not going to work. It'll have to be properly resourced. And it needs three prongs. The first prong is like building safety. So we have the regulator under that prong. The middle prong is industry improvement, so that we are improving the way we deliver, the way we procure. And the final prong is ensuring best practice through having a complaint system. So anybody suffering from bad practice can complain through an ombudsman or something like that. So three prongs: best practice, industry improvement, and ensuring that we have building safety. And that's a statutory body or within that body, but it needs to be resourced if it's going to work. Well, partly so, yes. I mean, it will deal with other things, but I would like to see it dealing with licensing. I'd like to see a licensing regime in this country. I'd like to get rid of all this pre-qualification stuff. So we have one licensing scheme, and every company has to be licensed. And if they're not licensed, they should be in the industry. And licensing will be evidence that they've got the requisite standards or competence to do what they're doing. Secondly, their health and safety record is second to none. And finally, they've got a certain level of assets. But I'd like to see that as part of this authority or this regulatory authority. And I would think in time, if we can achieve that, we will save millions and millions and millions, because in fact we're wasting millions and millions on pre-qualifying under all these different routes.